Are you eating cancer food? Here's what doctors and medical researchers say. Think your favorite snacks are harmless? Think again. Some common foods may actually help cancer cells grow. Today, we are exposing the truth with real medical science. No myths, just facts. Hi, I am your doctor, and in this video, we'll unpack how certain everyday foods can fuel cancer biology and what top-tier research says about avoiding them. The science: cancer cells often use a metabolic shortcut called the Warburg effect. Even with oxygen present, they ferment glucose to lactate, boosting growth, immune suppression, and treatment resistance. Discovered nearly a century ago, this metabolic shift remains a hallmark of many tumors, from breast to colon cancer. Next up, red and processed meats. These foods are rich in heme iron and preservatives like nitrites, which can form carcinogenic compounds in the gut. Studies link them to elevated risks of colorectal, breast, and stomach cancers. Grams of processed meat a day, about 2 strips of bacon, can raise colorectal cancer risk by 18%. The WHO classifies these meats as Group 1 carcinogens, attributing up to 13% of bowel cancers in the UK to their consumption. Sugary and refined carbs may not directly cause cancer, but they feed its fire. These foods spike insulin and drive inflammation, creating an environment where cancer cells thrive, not least due to their high glucose appetite. Balanced diets rich in whole grains and produce help counter these effects. Cooking meats at very high temperatures, think charred or grilled, produces another group of harmful substances: heterocyclic amines, HCAS, and PAHs. These have been linked to colon, breast, stomach, pancreas, and prostate cancers. Opt for gentler cooking methods like steaming, baking, or stewing. Alcohol isn't just an empty drink, it converts into acetaldehyde, a chemical that damages DNA and elevates the risk of cancers, particularly in the liver, breast, and oral cavity. Alarmingly, colorectal cancer is rising among younger people. Diet plays a central role. But there's good news: you can cut risk by switching to minimally processed, whole food-based diets. Here's the takeaway: you don't have to eliminate these foods entirely, but limit them. Prioritize fruits, veggies, whole grains, and home cooking for long-term health. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll help you map out cancer-smart meal plans.